Hello, friends. Welcome back to another fun-filled episode on Fun for Everyone. I'm Annie, and today, we have something super exciting lined up for you. Are you ready to put your word skills to the test and dive into the delicious world of apples? Well, get set, because it's time for our brand new game show, the Apple Word Scramble. In this game, we'll shuffle the letters of some Apple-inspired words or phrases, and it's your job to unscramble them. Sounds fun, right? Trust me, it's going to be a blast. So grab a pen and paper, get comfortable, and join the fun. Let's see how many you can solve. Are you ready to play? Let's get started. Round 1. Alright, here's your first word, PPLAE. Take a moment to think. What could it be? Hint, it's the star of this game. Come on, I know you can do it. Shout your guesses out loud or drop them in the comments below. Remember, there are no wrong answers. Just fun along the way. Need a hint? Think of the fruit we're celebrating today. Yes, you've got it. Keep going. Alright, time's up. The correct answer is apple. Did you get it right? If you did, give yourself a big high five. And if not, no worries, this was just the warm-up. Let's move to the next one. Round 2. Here comes the next challenge. R B L U M E. Can you figure it out? Hint, it's a dessert with a crunchy topping. Think about something you bake that smells like cinnamon. Got it? You're doing amazing. Keep those guesses coming. Time's up. The correct answer is crumble. A warm, comforting dessert for any occasion. Did you guess it right? Let's move to the next round. Round 3. Alright, this one's a bit tricky. E L D R T U S. Take your time. Hint, it's a flaky pastry from Austria. Think of a dessert you might enjoy with powdered sugar on top. It's famous in Europe. Ready? The correct answer is strudel. A delicious treat from Vienna. Did I stump you, or were you spot on? Okay, let's move to the next round. Round 4. Here's a sweet one. A L R C A E M. Can you figure it out? Hint, it's sticky and a carnival favorite. Imagine dipping your favorite fruit in a golden, sugary coating. Sound familiar? Keep those guesses coming. And the answer is caramel. Who doesn't love caramel apples? Let's move on to the next round. Round 5. Here's a double word challenge. L P P I E P A E. Hint, it's a classic American dessert. Think of something you might serve with ice cream. You've got this. Don't stop guessing. The answer is apple pie. A true classic. How many of you got it? Wow, what an incredible game. You all did an amazing job guessing these apple-themed words. Whether you shouted your guesses out loud, dropped them in the comments, or just played along quietly, give yourselves a big round of applause. Remember, every word and every game is all about having fun, learning something new, and celebrating the amazing world of apples. And don't forget, this is Fun for Everyone, where we bring you joy, laughter, and a whole lot of entertainment. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our fun games and shows. Also, tell us in the comments which round was your favorite and how many words you got right. Until next time, stay happy, stay curious, and keep having fun. This is your host signing off. See you in the next video on Fun for Everyone. Friends, bye-bye.